OEM Office 2010 without media, how to reinstall. I have recently purchased a new Office desktop PC from Dell with OEM version of Windows 7 Pro and Office 2010 Pro. One of the reasons I always use Dell is that they always supply installation media CDs or DVDs, unlike some other companies that just give you ISO images on the hard disk that you have to burn yourself. This is the first PC I have purchased with Office 2010 Pro, OEM, and I was disappointed to see that Dell don't ship out any installation media for Office 2010. They just supply a piece of card with the Office Pro product key printed on it. If the HDD fails completely and I have to perform a clean installation, how can I reinstall Office? Can I download the trial version of Office 2010 and install that, then offer it my product key? Bearing in mind that the product key is an OEM product, not a retail product, would this work?
This is only half true equals. If the HDD fails under while warranty, Dell will supply you with a new one, and Windows Office installation media. All for free. It is still true for the operating system. You often have to ask for an image hard drive. They do not automatically send you a drive with the OSD loaded. You have to ask. It is not true for Office. New Dells that ship with MS Office 2010 pre-installed do not, cannot, and will not include media. If reinstallation is required, say in the event of hard drive failure, you will have to download the software from Microsoft.
I have tried it, and it works. Just download the trial version corresponding to the version you have. And when it asks you to enter the product key, enter your key, and it will complete the full install process.
For OEM keys without media, visit this Microsoft website. Microsoft will ask you for your CD key, then allow you to download the appropriate install files. This URL. I work in it and ended up calling Dell once when I was in your situation without the right installer. They pointed me to the website, and it worked. Update. Microsoft updated their link to office.microsoft.com/backup where you can get the 2010 version as well as the 2007 version, at the bottom. This site is specifically intended for reinstalls of OEM versions. There is a pretty good walkthrough of the process as well at this URL. You can use this link. This URL. Official from MS.